Let's add a new section and choose text. This is going to be the title of the resources section, so delete everything and type in resources. Align the text to the center, make it H3, 200%, and Robotos Lab. We need some space on top of the title, so let's add a spacer and increase the spacer size to 30%. Now let's change the background color. Click here to open the section options, choose custom color, white for the text, and this blue color for the background. Close the panel and let's call this section Resources, and then check this box to add it to the navigation bar. Great, click here to add a new section, and let's choose Grid, a flexible grid-based layout of columns and rows. The default layout consists of 3 cells, which is exactly what we want. But you can add one more by clicking on the green plus button on the sides of an existing cell, or remove a cell by clicking on the red X button on the top right. You can also click here to add a new row of cells. Let's undo that. There's a heading on top, but we're not going to use it for now. Let's change the background color to the same blue we used in the previous section and set the text color to white. Now we can change the image in each cell by clicking the Edit Media button. Now click on this crop button, and here you can crop the images to a circle, square, portrait, landscape, or just leave it uncropped, which is what I'm gonna do. Also, I'll delete the text, both the heading and the paragraph, and I'm gonna insert a button. Click on it, add your label, add a link, and check Open in a new window. If you hover over the area around the button, you can click here to change the colors. I'll set the background color to white and the text color to blue. I'll do the same thing for these 2 cells, and done. In the next video, we're gonna add the final section, which is an image gallery.